Hello, I am Sarla Mehta. Today we shall see the very famous poem The Road Not Taken written by Robert Frost. See, before that I shall ask you one question. When our decision prove right, how we feel? Is it? Yes, we feel more overwhelmed, more confident, and it is a feeling of great happiness and pleasure that lifts up the spirit, and we would have a more positive attitude in life. Is it? But sometimes, see what is given in this poem. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost is a well known poem about the journey of life. It is more than a poem about someone trying to decide which road he is going to take on a stroll through the wood. यहाँ पर ट्रैवलर, इज इट नेसेसरी टू स्पीक इन हिंदी? ट्रैवलर देखो एक कंफ्यूजन में आ गया है. ही इज स्टैंडिंग एंड थिंकिंग दैट विच रोड ही हैज़ टू सिलेक्ट. द टू रोड्स डाइवर्ज इन अ येलो वुड. डाइवर्ज मीन्स सेपरेटेड. दो रास्ते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जगह जा रहे हैं. इट सिंबलाइजेस अ पर्सन's लाइफ. He has two options. Both look attractive. The narrator's choice about which road to take. This shows that when we choose an option which is not chosen by many, we become more successful in life. It makes us different from others. The traveler seems to be adventurous. He has his own mind and does not want to follow what the others have done. यहाँ पे ट्रैवलर्स काफ़ी एडवेंचरस दिख रहे हैं और वह ऐसा रास्ता चुनना चाहते हैं जो किसी और ने नहीं लिया. इट्स सी योर पोएम ऑन पेज नंबर 69 गिवन. दिस इज द 9th standards poem. It is for Maharashtra State Board. See, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. See, he tells us about a time when he came across two roads that separated in a wood. Two roads going in a different direction. He is sorry that he cannot travel along both the roads. He think for a long time. He looked down a path as far as possible. वह थोड़ी देर वहाँ पे रुक गए हैं और उसके ऊपर सोचने लगे. अब देखो सेकेंड स्टैंजा. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Then he takes the other road, which was just as good. He felt more attracted to it because it was grassy and did not seem much used. See, though at the fork both the roads seems equally well used. Equally well used. Huh? Come on, stanza number 3. And both that morning equally lie in leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I gave the first for another day, yet knowing how well it's on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Next day in morning, he saw both of them equally covered with leaves. No heavy human steps crushing them to black. He chose one road. कोई भी ह्यूमन स्टेप्स उस पे से नहीं गए हुए थे. दोनों भी रास्ते कवर्ड थे लीफ से. बोथ द रोड वी आर कवर्ड with the leaves, and No heavy human steps crushing them to black. He chose one road and kept the first one for another day. See, he chose the one and kept the first one for another day. He knew how one direction led to another and he doubted if he would ever come back. See, he doubted if he ever come back. Now come on the fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the differences. He says that many years later, when two roads went in a different directions in a wood, he took the one which was less travelled, and that has made all the differences in his life. See, the poet transport himself to the future when he will be stating with the reflective sigh. Here, sigh means to take a long breath. The poet transport himself to the future when he will be stating with the reflective sigh, means sigh of relief, as the poet feels happy and satisfied. He says that the decision of choosing the other road has made all the differences, and that differences was positive differences. Okay, I hope you understood this poem. Thank you, all of you.